It does respond to movement. Headbanger. What the hell is that all about?
Okay, pull it out of the corner there so we can actually see it. Here, boy. Here, boy, don't attack me. Here, boy. Here, boy. Ah, no, no.
No, your dinner. Get off, he'll get you. What? He stands up and does the dance. Did he bite you? Yeah, here he goes. That's attack mode now.
Uh-oh.
Oh! How much? It doesn't hurt when he bites you, though, right? Oh, that's pretty fun.
Here, let's get some pant leg action here. Oh wait, it's too dark over here. Ah! No! What did you pay for this thing?
I don't know. It was a gift. Oh, he's coming after your stuff! Oh no! Alright, I'm going to do a bad idea there.